1. Al Wheeler from Canada.
We have long, cold winters and short, hot summers. We have a holiday home near a lake. So in summer, I go sailing a lot and I play baseball. But in winter, I often play ice hockey and go ice skating. My favorite season is autumn, or fall, as we say in North America. I love the colors of the trees: red, gold, orange, yellow, and brown.
2. Manuela da Silva from Portugal.
People think it's always warm and sunny in Portugal, but January and February are often cold, wet and grey. I don't like winter. I usually meet friends in restaurants and bars and we chat. Sometimes we go to a Brazilian bar. I love Brazilian music. But then suddenly it's summer, and at weekends we drive to the beach, sunbathe and go swimming. I love summer.
3. Toshi Suzuki from Japan.
I work for Pentax cameras in the export department. I don't have a lot of free time, but I have one special hobby: taking photographs, of course. I like taking photographs of flowers, especially in spring. Sometimes after work, I relax in a bar near my office with friends. My friend, Shigeru, likes singing pop songs in the bar. This has a special name: karaoke. I don't sing. I'm too shy.